In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Veo 3 in Canva effectively. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to create dynamic and engaging video content without the need for extensive video editing expertise. So let's dive right in and explore how you can start creating stunning videos with Veo 3 in just a few simple steps. First off, you need to open Canva. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and log into your Canva account. Canva is incredibly user-friendly, and it's widely used for creating a variety of content ranging from social media graphics to professional presentations. Today, however, we're focusing on its video creation capabilities. Once you're in Canva, direct your attention to the sidebar. Here, you'll find the option labeled Canva AI, or Create a Video Clip. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this, you'll enter a workspace specifically designed for video creation with Veo 3. If you're new to this, don't worry. The interface is intuitive and guides you through the process smoothly. Next, it's time to let your creativity shine by inputting your text prompt. Think of this prompt as the blueprint for your video. It should cover the scene you want to create, the action that takes place, the mood you're aiming to convey, and any audio elements you wish to include. Be as detailed as possible. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better the final video will align with your vision. Take your time here to craft something that's in tune with the message you want to communicate. After you've input your text, all you need to do is wait for the system to work its magic. Veo 3 will process your prompt and generate a video clip tailored to your description. This process is typically quick, but the exact time may vary depending on the complexity of your prompt. While you wait, consider what elements you might want to adjust or refine further once the video is ready. Now that you have your generated video clip, it's time to move to the Canva editor. Here, you can fine-tune your video, editing, and refining the elements to better fit your requirements. Perhaps you need to adjust the timing, modify transitions, or even change up the music. The Canva editor provides a range of tools to help you perfect your project. Finally, it's time to wrap things up by downloading or publishing your video. Canva gives you the flexibility to download the finished product directly to your device, which is perfect for sharing across various platforms, or you can publish it directly from Canva to your different social media channels seamlessly. This way, your content is live and reaching your audience in no time at all. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to create captivating videos using Veo 3 in Canva. Enjoy experimenting with different prompts and refining your video editing skills. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.